Robo Sorter is a novel computer-controlled machine for automatic inspection, grading and sorting of food and other products at high speeds. Up to now, much of the work required to grade food products has been done labour-intensively. This is an uncreative, repetitive task which people do not do very well. For example, prawns are manually graded with an accuracy typically less than 80%. In Queensland, Australia, Buderim Ginger Limited, the company which operates the world's largest ginger factory, has installed a Robo Sorter to automate the inspection, grading and sorting of confectionery ginger at speeds of up to 45 pieces per second. Robo Sorter uses machine vision to inspect each arriving item and to calculate various descriptive features of the item. These properties include the item's area, the number of interior holes it contains, the length and width of a rectangle that minimally encloses the item, and many other features describing the item's shape and size. Robo Sorter requires that successive items generally do not touch each other. In the case of ginger pieces, this presentation is achieved by means of a vibratory bowl and linear feeders. The incoming product stream is divided into 9 channels, and the vibratory feeders singulate product in each channel onto a conveyor, so that ginger pieces on each of the 9 main conveyors are separated by a gap of a few millimeters. To achieve the speed required for this installation, product arrives onto each of the 9 conveyors at a rate of about 5 pieces a second. An occasional pair of touching pieces is not a problem, as the machine vision system recognizes them as an anomaly and assigns them to the reject bin. To keep up with the high product arrival speeds, Robo Sorter utilizes Australian area parameter accelerator technology to grade each piece within milliseconds after its image is acquired. This technology electronically processes 20 million picture elements each second to calculate shape and size features of multiple non-touching items in a scene at the video field rate of 1/50th of a second. The way in which Robo Sorter sorts is controlled by sorting programs stored in the Robo Sorter computer. These programs are easily created and modified by users. Here, we see a user examining a program used to sort pieces of confectionery ginger into 4 product grades, plus an additional 5th reject grade. On the left side of the screen, we see the list of grades in this sorting program. On the right side is the sequence of rules that Robo Sorter follows to determine how each individual item should be graded. On the bottom left of this window is a parameter called erosion level. Food products may contain thin projections of skin, root or antenna that should be disregarded when grading. When the erosion level parameter is set to 1, Robo Sorter automatically subtracts from the imagery any projections having diameter less than about 3 millimeters prior to grading the items. The Robo Sorter in the ginger factory sorts product into bins placed below the main conveyors. Items assigned to the reject grade stay on their conveyor and fall into the reject bin at the end of the conveyors. All other items are blown by air jets into bins containing one particular product grade. Robo Sorter is equipped with a spare bin to enable processing to carry on uninterruptedly. When a bin containing product of non-reject grade becomes full, Robo Sorter automatically diverts the grade of product to a spare bin. When the operator replaces the full bin with an empty bin, the empty bin becomes available as a spare bin. Robo Sorter automatically prints a label describing the contents of a full bin and the date and time when it was filled. Robo Sorter's computer continually controls the sorting operation. Any departures from normal conditions are immediately notified to the system operator. The machine keeps an electronic record of every sorting assignment. These data can be output on a diskette for daily management reports or statistical analysis. Robo Sorter offers several advances. It identifies rejects and sorts acceptable product into multiple grades in a single pass through a machine vision inspection station. Other machines which grade product during free fall are capable of sorting into only 2 categories at a time, accept or reject. To use such machines for multiple category grading, Product has to be processed several times. This is slow and can damage some products. Robo Sorter is designed to sort according to many different size and shape features of each item. Machines that sort on the basis of a single measured average value for each item are incapable of doing this. A Robo Sorter system can be individually configured to meet the specific speed and processing requirements of each customer. If your organization could benefit from programmable, high-speed automatic inspection, grading and sorting, you should be investigating the advantages of using Robo Sorter.